I think I think there are two parts to that answer, really. I think the first one is logistical and is about setting, and that myself and Tracy have slightly replaced and I guess slightly rewritten the play so that it's still very much set within the rehabilitation centre, but we have really placed it now so that these people are in isolation within this rehabilitation centre. And I think then that leads on to why the play feels even more, I guess, pertinent now, because obviously we are all going through our own isolation in different ways, and a play that is about connecting with each other when we can't physically be in the same space feels really important. And also to deal with trauma, and again, it feels like we're all kind of going through a kind of shared collective trauma by living in this world, and the play explores how we kind of react to that and how we kind of deal with that. And I think that's a really kind of important thing to be talking about right now.